How to recover saved over or previous versions of Word document. So if you want to recover the saved over or previous versions of the Word document, like for example, if I have the document right here and it has been saved as a final insurance report, right? So you just need simply go with it and then you can make some adjustments to it. And after making some adjustments, you can save that document. Now, after saving the document, you need to just go with the location where you've saved. Now here you need to right click on the Word document. After that, you can go with show more options, go with properties. Under properties here on the right side, you will have previous versions. Just click on it and here you will have the previous versions. If you've done any modifications, then you will have the versions right here. You can just simply click on it and then you can go with restore and apply and your previous version will be restored. But if that doesn't work, then you can go with your document, go with file, which is on the left side. And here you need to go with info. Under info, here you may have an option of version history. So here, if you have the version history option, then you just need simply go with the version history and you'll be able to recover your previous version. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.